Starting a side hustle can feel overwhelming, like you need more skills, more time, or more qualifications before you even begin. But real confidence comes from taking the first small steps, not waiting until you feel ready. One way to break the overwhelm is by writing down just three simple actions you can take today. Let me show you how I do it. You can do this in your Notes app, but I will just type it in Google Docs here so it's easy to follow along. I make a quick list of three small steps I can take today, like choosing a name, setting up a free social account, or posting my first tip. Having them written down makes the process feel simple and doable instead of overwhelming. And even if you only complete one, you are already moving your side hustle forward. This exercise is great for momentum, but lasting confidence comes from knowing exactly how to turn that momentum into real results. That's why step 5 of the confidence challenge is so powerful. It shows you how to apply your new confidence to proven online business models so you can launch with clarity and support. On top of that, you will also get endless free traffic strategies from social media and online funnel templates, so you're not just starting with confidence, but with the right tools in place. It's just $7 to join, totally beginner friendly, and you can start today. Click the link below and take your first confident step into building your side hustle.